Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled the NPS Vatsalya scheme, encouraging parents to save for their children's future. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, an awareness program was organized at Kilian Memorial School to understand better. Officials from SBI and NABARD explained the provisions of the scheme and made the participants aware about its benefits. SLBC Coordinator Shampang Lingdo explained how the scheme allows parents to contribute to an NPS account until the child turns 18. Once matured, the account transitions to a standard NPS, empowering the child to manage their finances independently and plan for their retirement.
Scheme and some portion will be received by the employer. Employer tomorrow, maybe a government department, maybe private organization, they'll also give some money from their side to keep in the pension for you, so that when you retire, you'll get money as a pension. Okay? Yes. That is new pension scheme.
The All Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association